Cello Tree is like a family tree of cellists. Instead of being connected through parents and children, this tree is connected by teachers and students. Users can browse the cellists, which are stored in a PostgreSQL database and integrated with the Python Flask backend using the SQLAlchemy ORM. Users can search the database using the search bar, which triggers a series of asynchronous JavaScript functions fetching an array of all cellists from a JSONified API generated by the server and dynamically filtering results. If a user is logged in, they can add a cellist to the database using an AJAX post request. If a user uploads a photo, it is posted to the Cloudinary API, which returns the URL where the image is stored. When the user submits this form, that URL, along with the rest of these form fields, is saved in the database and retrieved when the cellist profile is loaded. The profile is displayed in HTML using Flask's Jinja templating language. The user can edit the profile as needed, and any fields that have been changed will be updated in the database. This is Yo-Yo's branch of the Cello Tree, currently with no connections, so let's add some. My biggest challenge of this project was how to visually represent this data because in the database, teachers and students have a many-to-many relationship. I discovered that I could use JavaScript classes to organize the data into a tree data structure, with the root node being the current cellist and the teachers and students as its children. Now, visually, it appears with the children separated because I created the teachers as one instance of a tree, extending to the left, with Yo-Yo as the root node, and the students are another instance of the tree, extending to the right with the same root node. Now, a user can navigate through the Cello tree, so each cellist clicked becomes the new root node of their own tree structure. A user can read more about the cellist or check out stories and questions shared by other users. They can upvote their favorite posts and post their own thoughts for the community, which are posted to the database and dynamically rendered using AJAX. You can check out the Cello Tree codebase and my other work on GitHub. Feel free to get in touch with me on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.